have come and gathered here to honor, to celebrate, and to say a final goodbye to our dear friend, Cyrus Shahalaga Kwa Jirongo, a great man, a great Kenyan, a leading entrepreneur, and a philanthropist. I first came to know CJ, as we now called him, early in 1992, when I was the Attorney General of the Republic. He was introduced to me by two Kenyan leaders, Honorable Elijah Wasike Mwangale and Honorable Burudi Nawera. And when I first met him, I noticed immediately that he was a man of great zeal, a lot of enthusiasm, really a go-getter, and very much concerned with the future of Kenya and the future of the Mulembe nation. So from that time, we hit off well and would meet many times between him and particularly Musalia at that time. Then one day he came to the office and gave me a surprise of my life. I had just been in the office for about 1 year. And he came and said, Wako, we want to make you Chief Justice of Kenya. I was surprised. I told him, no. I'm still a bit young. But more importantly, I was more focused on having a contribution towards constitutional and legal reforms, so we can find somebody else. And I thought he had agreed. Only later, for Mwangale and Bunawera to say the same thing, and I gave them the same answer, and I thought that put matters to rest. Only later, for the President Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi to tell me, the elections are coming, we may go away and whatnot, and I don't want to have an expatriate Chief Justice anymore. At that time, the Chief Justice was Hancock's. I want an African Chief Justice, and you are the only one who can do this job. I explained to him in the best possible manner that maybe not. Then he told me, you get me a black man from anywhere in Africa, black man, to come and replace Hancock's. So I went to Ghana and convinced Apollo to come. That was Jirongo. I said he was a philanthropist. He helped many, as you have heard. Many succeed in politics, many succeed in business. He also helped me when I decided to join politics and to campaign in Busia. He came without any notice to me. I was on ODM, he was on the Federal Party, another party. He came to campaign for his people, but as far as senatorship was concerned, he told the Busia people they support Amos Wako of ODM. And also gave them something, which did not mind, which went far above what I myself could give in the form of campaign. So he really campaigned for me.